Are you housewife and no earning because of no job? And Bangalore traffic, weather condition and family responsibility is another reason? Don't worry, Hmfoodwala will help you. We give you platform to earn money by making food and distribute to customer. Step 1. Prepare your best food item at home. Step 2. Once delicious food are ready, then contact to service boy. Step 3. Pack your food and hand over to delivery person. Step 4. Once customer received order, your application pop up with earning amount. Amount will be credited into bank in 1 week. You can simply go to Google Play Store and download Hmfoodwala Chef application. Just open application and choose your language to register with us. You can also register via Hmfoodwala website. Just visit Hmfoodwala website and register today. After registration, Hmfoodwala support team will be contact you. For more help, please mail or connect us on support@hmfoodwala.com or call on 8511699099.